yeah, anatomy. That's the starter. Got a video on that in case you need to replace your starter. The dreaded IMS, so we're not going to do anything with that. Maybe another time. And our rear main seal. So that is what we're going to do now. So if you need to know how to get to this stage, I have one video on removing the transmission, another on the clutch. So you can check out those videos. Now we're going to do the rear main seal. All right, first, I'm going to shoot this down with a bunch of brake cleaner. Hold on just a second there.
That IMS did not look bad.
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna get nice and high. Oh, yep, see a little bit of leakage. No big deal.
That's why we're here.
All right. Give that one more spray. Let's actually check our rear main seal and make sure it's the right one. Right. I think, at least, yeah.
Quick fit. The new one looks to be the right diameter at least. Is it blue or is that just my light?
No, it's blue.
Yeah. All right, 9/64 drill bit, drill. Actually just drill straight into the seal and pull it out.
Moving in the right direction.
Oh, it could be going like this. Yeah, it's going right. Oh, very good.
That went in way too far for comfort, but
Handy dandy coarse threaded screw. And nope, we have not drained the oil, so we're just popping this thing out and popping a new one in.
okay.
A little metal pry tool.
You want to stick one of those BMW radiator parts in the back of the back too?
Oh, you got it. Look at that.
Woo!
Bam.
No damage. Perfect.
Look at that.
That's shiny.
And that's what it looks like on the inside.
Clean out the mating surfaces.
I don't think Sam has done this before.
He's just a
He's not such
student like me.
such the newbie he says he is.
All right. So it's nice and clean.
Here's the new one.
And I have a little trick for that. I'm wearing
Silicone spray. Yeah.
Oh,
PVC cap.
Dun, dun,
punch it
dun.
in.
Yep.
Secret tool.
Go ahead and
Oh,
slap this.
where did you find all this stuff out?
The internet has lots of information.
Okay.
They just have really crappy videos
That's right.
until now.
But now they'll have a good one.
Until now.
The most comprehensive how to do a clutch in a 986. Okay.
Get it started.
Well, last time I checked, I was told 3 inches. 3 inches is not big enough, and that is what she said. So
Those liars. So it needed to be what, like 3 1/4?
yeah, probably 3.5 or 4 inches.
Now, for those of you at home doing this, once you buy your rear main seal, you can actually take it to the Home Depot and line it up with one of those things. See if it's the right size. Trying to get crafty.
This will do it. Should.
Still hitting the metal.
Yeah.
All right, got an attempted solution here. With Millie, our shop dog's paw cleaner cup.
Yeah.
What are we thinking?
Still having some issues with the outer diameter.
This should be
the wider.
bigger.
This should be enough.
Yeah, perfect. Oh, I was saying, put it up.
Just by itself.
This.
Okay. That's perfect.
See, that's what I wanted. Going to give you that originally, but I didn't want to stifle your imagination.
Yep, it's going in. Everything's almost flush. Just a couple more taps for good measure. Yeah, I'd say that's good. Somebody want to confirm?
Awesome. All right, so where's the, let me show you guys what we used here. Oh, yeah, I'll put a link to this in the description. So it is literally a cup that you take your dog's paws and fill this up with water, stick it in there, and it is an amazing product for actually cleaning shop dog's feet when she gets muddy. And now it is also an RMS approved tool. So these things aren't that expensive. Definitely worth it if you're gonna do the job. So check out the link in the description. Get yourself one of these multi-purpose tools. about 5 hours yesterday, 5 hours today, so a total of 10 hours to do this. That includes getting the car in here off the trailer, on the lift, off the lift, back on the trailer, cleaning up the garage. So hopefully this helped. If it did, please give the video a thumbs up, guys. Just take one click of a button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.